Hi, this is Matt Whitmer from Brody Precision, and in this video I'm going to show you how to serial shell into a Jace 8000. So, to do that, we are going to first download and install Putty, which is a terminal application since Hyperterminal is no longer included in Windows. Then we'll plug into our 8000 using a micro USB cable, so that's sort of important. You probably have one already though to charge your phone, or the one I use is actually what I use to charge my mouse. And then we'll connect to the Jace using Putty, and these are the settings we'll use. And just for reference, this debug port on the top of the Jace is where we'll be plugging into. So let's get started. So I'm going to open up this link here just to show you where you download Putty. You're going to download either one of these, 32 or 64-bit, doesn't really matter. Download that and install it. I've already got it installed. So we're going to move over to that now. Go down here to Putty and open it up. So that'll bring up this little window here. The important thing here is to come down to serial. These are all your connections for all your settings for your serial connection. So we'll go down there, and the first thing that you'll need to know is the COM port that your USB to serial that's built into the Jace is going to be using on your PC. So what you really need to do first is plug in your Jace. So I'm going to plug my Jace in right now to my machine, and it's coming up. Should see a little thing pop up in the bottom here in a second. So if I right click on my start menu, go to system, then device manager, and go to ports, you can see here my USB serial port, which is my Jace, is on COM5. So I can close out of this stuff, set this for COM5, change my baud rate to the correct one. Data bits are good, stop bits are good, parity's good. Flow control needs to be set for none, so I'll set that. And now you're in the serial settings here. You're gonna go back up to your session. This is where you actually make the connection. We're gonna change to serial now, and all my settings will come across. Before you do anything else, your best bet is to save here so that you don't have to remember these settings and bring them up later. So I'm just going to save. Oh, you got to put in a name first. So I'm going to call this Jace 8000 and do a save. So now we're saved here, and I can hit open, which will bring up the connection. Now, when you first bring it up, you might be thinking, I don't see anything. Is it working? Hit enter. And you can see now I've already logged into this before, so I'm just going to hit L real quick to get out. And this is what you'll see. You'll just see a login page or login option. And I'm going to log in. This is just a Honeywell Jace. So this is going to be your platform credentials. So don't connect to a Jace 8000 expecting to use it as like a backdoor into the Jace to change platform credentials or something like that. In order to do anything, you need to have your platform credentials. So once you have the platform credentials and you log in, you get your normal menu like you're used to seeing, and you can make any changes that you might need. That's it for logging into the shell of a Jace 8000. Thanks.